Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the home button and flex on the iPhone SE 3 2022 model. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and undo two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, to remove the screen, apply some heat to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Once the heating is complete, use a suction cup or similar tool to create a gap between the frame and the screen. And then gently use a plastic upright tool to separate and loosen up rubber gaskets around the frame. Work carefully around the edges. And keep in mind not to apply too much force when lifting the screen, as this could damage the internal flex cables. Next, lay the device like an open book. Next, remove the four screws and take out the bracket. Next, in the top right corner, undo three screws and take out the bracket. Next, disconnect the battery, touch and LCD connectors. Finally, to free the screen, disconnect the earpiece assembly connector from the logic board. Next, on the screen, undo four screws to take out the home button bracket. Next, gently disconnect the home button plug from the LCD. Next, apply some heat to release the adhesive on the flex cable. Next, gently pry the cable and pull out the not working home button unit from the LCD screen. Next, place and secure the new home button and flex on the screen. Insert the cable through the opening and secure the connector. Next, secure the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, apply the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape does not provide complete protection against liquid damage. Next, clamp the screen to the body. First, connect the earpiece assembly plug, followed by the LCD and touch connectors, and then finally the battery connector. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the LCD bracket by installing 4 screws. Next, secure the upper bracket by installing 3 screws. Finally, remove the protective tape and then proceed to clamp the screen. First, press the top section of the screen into place. Then, press the sides and bottom simultaneously. Ensure even pressure along the frame sides for secure fit. And finally, secure 2 bottom screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.